Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to bring you along on this walking tour of Espinho Beach in Portugal. Get ready to explore the hidden gems of this sandy paradise. Don't forget to click that like button and leave a comment to let me know what you think. As we draw closer to Espinho Beach, I'm getting ready to witness some of the best that Portugal has to offer. The beachfront is home to some of the best seafood restaurants and cafes you'll ever find. With a vast variety of options, it'll be certain to please anyone looking for a bite to eat. Then it's time to explore the sand. Nova Espinho Beach is a blue flag beach and offers a tranquil atmosphere for sunbathers. The Golden Sandy Beach has lifeguards watching over its visitors, making it a safe place for swimming and water sports. We can also take a walk along the sand and take in the beauty of nature. Don't miss taking some excellent pictures of the stunning views of Espinho Beach. Even if you take a walk at night, you won't be disappointed. The nightlife of Espinho Beach is legendary, and you'll never be bored with some of the best music venues and bars Portugal has to offer. Take your pick from some of the best jazz clubs, karaoke bars, or beach bars. No matter what type of party you're looking for, Espinho Beach has something for everyone. So let's discover the hidden gems of Espinho Beach together. Don't forget to like and leave a comment to let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!